In this video, I'm going to show you an amazing rubber band hack that you can implement starting today. One of the most common distractions for drivers is their smartphone. Whether it's a text message, a phone call, or a notification, the urge to check your phone can be strong even when you're behind the wheel. This is not only dangerous, but it's also illegal in many states. That's why having a phone mount in your car can be a great way to keep your phone within reach and visible while driving. However, not everyone has a phone mount, and not every car is compatible with one. That's where the rubber band hack comes in, my friend. All you need is a rubber band and a smartphone, and you can create a makeshift phone mount that will keep your phone in place and visible while driving. To use the rubber band hack, simply wrap a rubber band around the air vent in your car using a paper clip, or in this case, a toenail clipper, and place your smartphone inside the rubber band. The rubber band will hold your phone in place and prevent it from sliding around while you're driving. This can be particularly helpful if you use your phone for navigation or music, as it will keep your phone visible and accessible without having to hold it in your hand. While this hack may seem simple, it's actually quite effective. Rubber bands are inexpensive and easy to find, and they come in a variety of sizes and strengths, so you can choose the one that works best for your phone and your car. The rubber band won't damage your phone or your car, so you don't have to worry about permanent marks or scratches. Of course, it's important to remember that using your phone while driving can still be distracting, even with a rubber band hack. It's always best to pull over or wait until you've reached your destination before checking your phone. But if you need to use your phone for navigation or music while driving, the rubber band hack can be a helpful solution that doesn't require any special equipment or installation. Here's a poem in dedication to this hack. A rubber band, elastic and strong, holds your phone steady all day long. No more sliding and no more slips. Your phone's in place for all those trips. If you've ever wanted to know how to fix broken toenail clippers, click the video on the screen now, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.